Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Dog Mountain. In this video I will be showing you how to go live, how to locate the tasks on Poppo Live, and then how to join a party. Those are the main tasks when you're just new on the app. So for you to access the tasks, click the icon in the bottom right corner, which is the profile tab. Okay, so once you land here, for you to access the tasks, click rewards, and there we go. So here there are only 3 tasks here. First of all, you have to go live, and by going live you're given 10,000 points, which equate to $1. You'll be doing that on a daily basis. Then the second task will actually require that you join a party. So let's head back to the main page. I show you how you go live. So here we are. For you to go live, you have to click live. That is the tab right on top of the profile tab, and boom, when you land here you see some options on top. Do you want to chit chat with people, or do you want to sing or dance? So you choose, you make a choice depending on what you'll be doing in your life. So let's go by chit chat, then you hit go live, just like that. Now when you go live, you have to make sure that you are streaming from a well-lit room. You have to stream from a position where you are upright. Okay, and then okay, I think that's enough for now. Let me show you how you join a party. If you want to join a party, what you do is you click the tab which is second from the one on your left in the bottom left corner, and then you will see a couple of profile pics of people who are actually hosting parties. It's just a matter of you choosing which one you're gonna join. And then when you click one of them, you see this, the seats and the host. Now for those seats that are on top, they have to be occupied by women. Those are golden seats, 1, 2, 3, and seat number 4. The rest are for men. Men spend 15 minutes and they're given about 15 or 20 coins. Women have to stay put there for 1 hour plus another hour, and they walk away with points, and points are the ones that convert into money. Now I'm not gonna get into depth explaining everything. I will leave some of the things to other videos, and I'll link this video to other videos. So what you do is you check in the description section for you to watch other videos on how to do other tasks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with all those who may need this necessary information.